Hello, class. This is Dobbs v. Jackson. My name is Brayson Lack Mansa.
My name is Shivam Sharma.
My name is Surya Ramohwami.
Before Roe v. Wade, 30 states had allowed the banning and prohibition of abortion. During this case, the Mississippi Gestational Age Act was a significant factor in the overall decision. Previously, a case known as Planned Parenthood v. Casey discussed the topic of abortion and used the prior decision of Roe v. Wade to rule and confirm the constitutional protection of abortions.
Dobbs defended Mississippi's law that banned most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. Dobbs also contended that states should have the authority to enact restrictions on abortion before fetal viability, which is around 24 weeks. He also argued that states had an interest in protecting potential lives.
Jackson's claim was that abortion was represented in the 14th Amendment through the Equal Protection Clause, stating that anybody in America, regardless of their gender, race, or nationality, had the right to abortion and had the right to choose what happens to their body and when it happens. They also argued that physical autonomy and body integrity were essential elements of liberty, which were therefore protected by the Due Process Clause, stating that in the time that an abortion is made or the time that they decide to get an abortion, all must be protected under the 14th Amendment through the Due Process Clause. They also argue that abortion is important in the common law of tradition, or in the common law tradition, stating that it is common law to give people the choice to decide what happens to their body, instead of having these decisions be made by the Constitution or other people, similar to the necessary and proper clause.
The Chief Justice in this case was John Roberts. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Dobbs in a 5-4 victory. They asserted that the states have the right to decide what type of abortion laws are allowed in their own respective states, leading to a variety of controversies. The courts also believed that the states have the deciding factor in whether or not regulating abortion is allowed or not. This ruling significantly weakened the principles and impact of Roe v. Wade and Planned Parenthood v. Casey, but did not explicitly overturn it. This ruling also strengthened the states, giving them more power to regulate abortion to any way they see fit.
Boy, quit playing.
Abortion.
Oh, stop acting like a kid.
Abortion.
The significance of Dobbs v. Jackson is that it overturned the 50-year decision that stood from Roe v. Wade regarding the prohibition of abortion. Roe v. Wade asserted and protected critical constitutional protections for abortion, and with Dobbs v. Jackson, abortion rights have been devastated throughout the country, subjected to state by state. Dobbs v. Jackson also confirmed that the Constitution did not confer a right to abortion, and the authority to regulate abortion is returned to the people and their elected representatives.
The major outcome of Dobbs v. Jackson was that many states, such as Indiana, North Dakota, and Arkansas, all banned abortion or created limitation on abortions, leading to women having to resort to either going to different states or different areas to get an abortion. This, in turn, led to many women not feeling safe in their own states, as they felt that their reproductive rights had been violated and soon could have other basic rights violated as well, leading to Dobbs v. Jackson being one of the most controversial court cases in the United States history.
What the sigma?